Open stock market account online. Send your documents to our equity dealer. You can email us, or you can WhatsApp us your documents. You can also submit your documents by yourself with few simple steps. Go to this URL. First register yourself here. Write your email address, create a password, and submit. You will get OTP by email. Verify here, and then log in here. Type your email, type your password, and log in. Now click here, form for new customer. Now click on basic information. This form will open. Add this code here, to get our premium services for free, where our expert team guide you step by step, including free workshops, and online sessions, where you will learn about fundamentals analysis, technical analysis, risk management, portfolio management, and more. Now write your full name here. As per your CNIC, write down your email address. Select your resident status as resident. Select your ID type as SNIC if you have new smart ID card. Or select CNIC if you have old ID card. Write your CNIC number here. Select issue date and expiry date of your CNIC. Write your bank name. Write your bank account number as IBAN. For proof of IBAN must upload the picture of your bank check. If you don't have checkbook, then upload picture of bank statement. Upload front and back picture of your CNIC. Make sure your CNIC picture is not blurry or low resolution. Write your mobile number here, which is registered on your CNIC. Now submit this form. Your process is completed for OTP request. Now NCCPL will send you OTP by SMS from 9646. Check link on email and verify your OTP. For further process or details, WhatsApp our agent 0333 13 99955.